Hello students, let's continue chapter 8th, that is comparing quantities. Today we will solve exercise 8.2. First sum. A man got a 10% increase in his salary if his new salary is rupees 1,54,000. Find his original salary. So students, in this question, first we will assume his original salary is rupees X and his salary increased by 10% and new salary is 1,54,000. So students, we have to find the value of X. Solution of first question. Let the original salary be rupees X. Increase by 10%. That is given in question. 10% of original salary is equal to 10% of X. Because original salary we assume X. New salary is equal to original salary plus increase. New salary is 1,54,000, that is given in question, is equal to X plus 10% of X is equal to X plus 10 upon 100. Here we remove percentage sign and we write 100 as a denominator. Here we will multiply 10 by numerator and denominator both. So we will write 10x plus x upon 10 is equal to 11x upon 10. 1,54,000 is equal to 11x upon 10. We multiply 10 by 1,54,000. We write 11x is equal to 1,54,000 multiply 10. X is equal to 1,54,000 multiply 10 upon 11. Now we will divide 1,54,000 by 11. We get 14,000. We multiply 14,000 by 10. When we multiply 14,000 by 10, we get 1,40,000. So the value of X is equal to rupees 1,40,000. Thus, the original salary was rupees 1,40,000. Next sum is, on Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? So students, in this question, first we will find out decrease in the number of people visiting to the zoo on Monday. Then we will find decrease percentage. Look at the solution of question number 2. Number of people went to the zoo on Sunday is equal to 845. That is given in the question. Number of people went to the zoo on Monday is equal to 169. That is given in question. Now we will find decrease in the number of people visiting to the zoo on Monday is equal to 845 minus 169. So we get 676. So decrease in the number of people visiting to the zoo on Monday is 676. Now we will find out decrease in percentage. So we will write decrease percentage is equal to decrease upon original number multiply 100. So we will write 676 upon 845 multiply 100 and we get 80%. Thus 80% decrease in the number of people visiting the zoo on Monday. Students, you can calculate this by your own way. Clear? Now we will take next sum. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. find the selling price of one article. Students, in this question, we will find the selling price of one article. So first we will find out cost price for one article. In this question, cost price, this is CP, cost price for 80 articles, and we have to find cost price for one article. Then we will find selling price of one article. Look at solution. Cost price of 80 articles is equal to rupees 2400. That is given in question. Cost price of one article is equal to, we will divide 2400 by 80 and we get rupees 30. Profit is equal to 16%. It is given in question. Profit on one article is equal to rupees 16 upon 100 multiply 30. Clear? When we will solve this calculation, we get rupees 4.80. Now we will find out selling price of one article. Therefore, selling price of one article is equal to cost price plus profit. Now we will add rupees 30 plus rupees 4.80 and we get rupees 34.80. Thus, selling price of one article is rupees 34.80. Next sum. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. Students, here 15,500 is CP and rupees 450 is overhead charges. First we will add 15,500 to 450 and profit is 15%. Then we will find selling price of the article. Look at solution. Cost price of an article is equal to rupees 15,500. That is given in question. Repair charge is overhead charge, is equal to rupees 450. Total cost price is equal to cost price of an article plus overhead expenses. So we get rupees 15,950 and profit is 15%. That is given in question. Now, amount of profit is equal to 15% of rupees 15,950 is equal to 15 upon 100 multiply 15,950. When we multiply 15,950 by 15, we get 2,39,250 upon 100 is equal to, when we divide 2,39,250 by 100, we get rupees 2,392.50. Selling price is equal to total cost plus profit is equal to rupees 15,950 plus 2,392.50 is equal to rupees 18,342.50. Thus, the selling price of an article rupees 18,342.50. Students, fifth sum you have to solve by yourself. Now we will continue this exercise in next video. Up till then, thank you.